At Mytee Products, if you need the best, you get the best. Our black-coated winch strap winders are back in stock at a great and affordable price. The winch strap winder comes disassembled, but is very easy to put together. It comes in 4 parts: the body, the fork, the crank, and the anchor. Insert the crank into the cylinder at the bottom of the body. Next, take the fork and start screwing it in. Because of its design, the crank can accommodate people who are right-handed and people who are left-handed. Once they're connected and tightened together, it's time to put it to use. Attach the winder to the rug rail of your trailer. Next, take the anchor and screw it into the hole in the top until the winder is nice and tight. To roll the winch strap, take the endless strap and run it underneath the forks. Bring it back over and wrap it around the top fork. Next, run it through the middle and then pull it back under the bottom fork. Use your non-dominant hand to keep the strap stable, and use your dominant hand to start winding. Once it's all rolled up, pull it carefully off the winch and straighten your rolled up strap. To make sure it stays rolled up and held together when it's not in use, we recommend you also get some bands to wrap it and keep it rolled up. It's not a requirement, but it definitely helps keep things tidy. Get your winch strap winder plus tarps and more at myteeproducts.com.